Plenty things dey PC top where we really dey underutilize them. One of the things where we dey underutilize be the calculator too. You see the calculator where dey PC top, you know, before just basic calculations, so you go fit take do so many things. See, you go fit take even calculate your currency self. You go fit take calculate weight, volume, then plenty interesting things. So make I show you something. You see this calculator where they here, you see these three lines where they here. If you open these three lines, you go fit see say for the top here then write calculator, where the down here then write converter. So you go see plenty parameters where you go fit do your conversion. So for example, if I want convert currency self, you see I go fit convert. You see this one, the unit be dollars, then the cedis. Say I want convert say $15.3. You see say they give me the corresponding value for CD inside. Charlie, so many things. So see, you go fit take calculate even date self. Date, let's say I want calculate the duration from say maybe January 2024 or maybe December 2024, December 3rd to November 19. You see say it they give you the difference. It they give you the number of months, 2 weeks, 2 days, the duration from December to November. Charlie, so many parameters. So many parameters. Weight day here, temperature, speed, time, plenty things. So you see this calculator day here, you know, before just basic calculations. So you go fit take calculate so many things: pressure, angle, power, time. Charlie, so you see we get a tool for the PC top, but we dey use them for basic things. We not really dey utilize them as we are even supposed to do. So Charlie, the next time you go open the calculator to make you really utilize them, make you utilize them better. Also, make you no forget say you go subscribe to the channel for more updates.